Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and I'm so excited today. No, I'm not excited actually. I'm actually totally not excited. I mean, let's address the elephant in the room, which is my pimple on my nose. And I thought, Tom, it really looks so disgusting that you probably shouldn't do a video. But then I thought I will stay consistent every Sunday to get out this video. And it's about what I'm presenting in here, less than about my nose, isn't it? So let's forget about it, just ignore it.
Jolly good work.
Yes, nice to mole you. Meet you. Nice to meet you, mole. Don't say mole. I said mole.
If you're using an iPad Pro with a magic keyboard, you know, the keyboard that is so magical, which isn't that magic to me, but yeah, I made a video about this already. I'm still using it, although I wasn't so happy, especially not about the material. And once I made a video about the iPad mini that you might have seen with the new case. This case is the same ugly material that we have with the magic keyboard. We are paying a lot of money, Apple, and we get something like that. It's a dirt collector, that's what it is. Or it's magic because it's attracting so much dust and fingerprints. So the magic keyboard is so magic because we can just take off the iPad and use it with the Apple Pencil, okay? And we can just take off the Apple Pencil and start writing. But let me know in the comments below if you're one of the people who are not that happy that this is now totally exposed. If this drops once to the floor, you know exactly what I mean. I lost 2 iPads just by things like that, and I made a lot of case reviews already, but it's always hard to have a combination of keyboard and case without to make it bulky. This is really the issue. I don't want to have Logitech. They have the folio keyboard and so on, but it becomes really bulky. So this is where I have to say, okay, the Magic Keyboard is great because it's really lightweight. I don't have an external charger. It's powered by the iPad. So the only thing is the exposure of the iPad itself. You know, and for such cases, I'm really excited to have my Paperless Movement members. Inside the community, Falco actually, one of our long-term members here, he posted about his Magic Keyboard and that he's looking for exactly such a case. And he ordered one, which is from Moft, M-O-F-T. And he said, don't get it. A lot of details there with pictures and the reasons why and so on. It shows here, you know, the issues. Then the other members come in and give some feedback what to get there. And actually Lou, one of our other members, he recommended the Mac EZ Case 2. And when I went there, I thought, okay, this looks pretty good. And there it is for the iPad Pro 2021. And I got it, as promised. But now look at this, already by the package. Guess what? It's for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's unpack this anyway. So it's more an unboxing and I talk about the material about this rather than putting it on there. So there will be a follow-up video if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the actual review except the unboxing here. But I want to show you already a solution that members in my community confirmed that this is a good solution. Yeah. So the package is not as cheap as the most packages are. So we have some design choices with a magnet here. I like always things like that where people take care of quality or perceived quality. It doesn't mean that there's actually quality in there. And there we have how it works, and there it is. Okay, so we can pretend with the foam in here that this is our iPad and this is how it would look like. And this is it. It's pretty expensive for what it is actually, but this feels great. I have to say that. It really feels great, and you see already the 3 connection dots which connects with your Magic Keyboard here. You see it. It would be actually protecting the iPad around the edges even if it is closed. So when it's dropping or anything, it's protected in there, and you take it out. You have the iPad like this and you still have the protections on the sides. Let's pretend that this is our iPad here. Just put it in here. And now you see here exactly that it is not fully protected around the corners. Not sure yet why this is needed. I think it has to do with this part. So when you close the iPad, it would become too thick. So this is why they left this off. But nevertheless, we have a protection here, we have a protection here, and on the back especially. And then we have still a protection halfway around the corner. If it drops there, it is still not protected. Well, this is how it is. Thanks a lot, Lou, for pointing this out. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you have any other solutions to that issue. Is it actually an issue to you? Let me know this in the comments. Happy to discuss there. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video coming out next Sunday. And I'll catch you up next time.